Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Happy 2021. I feel like every time I shoot a video, I'm at a different location, but I officially have my own apartment. If you're new to this channel, by the way, hi, welcome. I'm Michelle. I have a lifestyle channel. Today, I'm gonna go over a couple of my Amazon apartment favorites, but before I do so, I kind of want to make a special announcement. I have a new addition to my family. This is Bane, everyone, the new addition to my family. I adopted him around Christmas time, and he's just been the best thing ever. Say hi to the YouTube family, Bane. Hello. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm so excited. Yeah, and he's just a puppy, supposedly just like 9 to 10 months. That's what the vet has said. You know, at the shelter, they can't really tell because he was a stray, but so happy to have him in my life. My amazing boyfriend and I have been taking really good care of him, and he's acclimated to my home really well, so we're so excited for Bane. All right, now let's go ahead and dive into my Amazon apartment favorites. Okay, so first I wanted to mention this set of Apothecary plastic jars. This is just a perfect touch to the bathroom. I feel like it's really elegant. I just put some Q-tips in the little one, some cotton balls in the medium size, and then a couple of bars of soap. I actually got these two from Home Goods. Of course, you can mix it up. You could put maybe some makeup sponges in this one and maybe some bath bombs in this one. That'd be really cute too. But these were only about $22 and I'm really happy with them. Next up, I want to talk about this really awesome jewelry holder. Holds all my necklaces right now, my little Polaroid camera and the little things in that pouch. But right now it's on the closet door, right next to my closet here. I don't want to show you too much of that because it's a little messy, but it installs really easy. I mean, you just got to do the 2 screws there and there. This is also about $24. Again, not bad for the price point, but this is definitely one of my favorites. I kind of just wipe this down a little bit, so if it looks wet, it is. But if you haven't caught on yet, the aesthetic of my place is a little bit of black and white. I mean, I'm trying to make it more neutrals, not just black and white. But the next thing I wanted to mention was this really cute bathroom set for only like $24.99. So it comes with the trash can, comes with the little scrubber for the toilet. It comes with a cup, comes with a toothbrush holder, soap holder, and then the soap dispenser. Honestly, for $24.99 for this set is not bad at all. It's decent quality. It doesn't feel cheap, doesn't look cheap, and it just really goes with the aesthetic of my place. Next up is gonna be a little bit of a peek because my bedroom is still not completely all the way put together, but I want to talk about these really amazing bed sheets that I ordered from Amazon from Milani. That's the brand. I needed some black sheets. I have a white comforter right now, but these sheets are honestly really nice. Again, for the price point, they're $35. I'm very happy about it. Now it's just a matter of finding a comforter, continuing the decor here, getting some nightstands, and I can't wait to show you guys the final reveal. And definitely let me know in the comments down below if you want to get updates too on how I decorate my place. Let me know. Okay, next up, don't mind the mess. I still have to organize this, but I don't have a pantry in my kitchen, so I had to get kind of like a wire shelf pantry thingy majigger that you see here. It comes with wheels. I didn't do the wheels, but my boyfriend put this up for me. Thank baby Jesus for him. But I'm definitely going to be doing some storage bins for the food, making this a little bit more prettier. These were about $60. To me, it wasn't bad. We were looking at other places like Home Depot and IKEA. IKEA had a different type of style around the same, if not about 100. Home Depot had a shelf just like this that was about $100 as well. So yet again, really good for the price point, and it fits perfectly in this little opening right here. So next up, I want to talk about this electronic candle lighter. This is only $25, and all you got to do is charge it up, flip the switch like that. All you got to do is, and it lights the candles. I just found myself buying lighters all the time, and I found this on Amazon, and it's life-changing. And Bane is over there growling at somebody. I don't know who. You let him know, Bane. You let him know. But yeah, this is another awesome Amazon favorite. Go get yourself one. So this is a kitchen project that I need to start on, but I got these spice jars from Amazon. They come with these stickers, but I actually got different stickers here. I like the font and the color a little bit more. Stands out, makes it pop. Spice jar stickers were about $11.95. Again, these were separate. If you want to use the ones that these come with, this is what they look like. I mean, they're still cute. This set was $18. I think you can order a set of more, but this is just to start off with. And I'm playing around with the ideas of where I want it displayed, if I want it displayed out, or make it into like some type of shelf or cabinet drawer. Pinterest just gives me a lot of inspo on this. But that, my friends, concludes today's video. If you like what you saw, all the links will be down below in the description box. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and hit that like button if you like this video. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!